You guys are really enjoying the van talk lately, so here's a one take low quality video. James Casino. Is this in his future? Is Honey going to look like this? Honey on steroids. 08 to 14 body style, standard length van, high top roof with the awning windows, action van suspension, ultimate lift. There it is. Standard length van. This one's from Georgia. U-joint 4x4, $30,000 conversion. If you got the money. Got the money, do it. Top of the line right here. They even make a two-wheel drive lift kit. Same components. Dummy axle, but all the proper hardware to convert to four-wheel drive. You just need the axle, four-wheel drive axle, and a transfer case to complete it. So start off spending 13 to 20 grand and then put another 10 grand in if you want to go four-wheel drive eventually. I might do that someday. Since I'm known for the two-wheel drive lift kits, I got to get a U-joint two-wheel drive someday, since that's kind of been my thing. And then maybe I'll be a 4x4 guy someday. We'll see. We'll see how the channel grows. Oh dang. And then the cool thing about these guys is their staff actually drives vans. So they work on the vans and they drive them. This van is on an action van suspension lift kit with the V10, and that's Wasatch's prototype fenders, wider than Bushwhacker. I believe Bushwhacker no longer makes theirs anymore, so here we have Wasatch making their own. Love to see it. So extended, another prototype thing here, small window on the top. I have damage here too. Definitely not creepy when you create an off-road van. Is this top secret? Am I supposed to be seeing this? If they had it on hand, I would have bought these. The pop-up rear windows, pop out. And then we got a brand new looking Expressor. Yeah, doesn't even have plates yet. GM still makes vans. The old school American box style vans. I wish Ford still made vans too, but there you go. All fresh. This is really cool. They have a courtesy car here, and they offered this to Brooke, so if she wants to head out for a little bit, she's free to drive this. That's awesome. And it's a nice courtesy car too. Here we are, Wasatch Overland, one take video.